back again with the FMA Debrief, again with Ed Udell, our CEO and president. And today we're talking about 2024. There's a lot to look forward to this year.
2023 was a great year for FMA, and 2024, we are expecting another great year for the organization. Starting with continued work on the workforce lifecycle branding of the organization, helping our members attract, develop, and then engage, of course. And we're dedicated and working every day on that mission for our industry.
And then as we engage with them, we have lots of training and events coming up.
You bet. We're kicking off the year in Clearwater Beach, Florida for our annual meeting at the end of February. We hope to see you all there. Great way to interact with your peers, share best practices, exchange ideas.
Yeah, and then after the beach, we're heading to the golf course.
That's right. We'll be in North Carolina in April for Golf South, the golfer manufacturing event. So let's get that on your calendars. From there in May, we're back to help the pipe and tube industry with Pipe and Tube Omaha. So we'll be in Nebraska, really focused on pipe and tube technology, applications, ideas. And from there, it's off to Canada, Fabtech Canada. We're back there in June, and then moving from there, of course, here locally in the Chicagoland area, we'll be returning of our technology tours. The great ways to get into innovative shops here and tour the I-90 corridor, really metal fabrication way, right here in the heart of the industry. Attendees can participate and see these top shops, as well as really get into all of the showrooms and of all the major machine tool builders right here located within the I-90 corridor. And then from there, October brings us to Orlando for the first time. We'll be back to see Fabtech fully live, and where all the world-class technology, the industry comes together to network, participate with one another, and a great way to end 2024.
And then also, we've got some great resources that we can use all year long for industry insights as well.
Absolutely. The best tool, of course, is Fabrinomics, our newsletter for members, where Dr. Chris Keel writes a monthly newsletter about what's going on in our industry, what are the economic issues that we face, what are some ideas and forecasting and how we can best handle those things. It's always a great tool, a great reference, very specific to the metal fab industry, really designed to help our members be one step ahead as they compete on a global basis.
So to get one step ahead and learn about all the things that are happening with FMA in 2024, visit our website at fmamfg.org.